Here the name as in tick tick tick. That is the fourth chapter. Don't worry, I'm not done the third chapter. Third chapter, skipping one chapter, and we'll be doing the next chapter. There is a fourth chapter in your math magic of your NCERT textbook. That is tick tick tick. Here, tick 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 means what? Where you heard this word? Yes, the tick tick is nothing but you where you had it in the watch, correct? The sounds coming from around the watch, it is a represent that is a tick tick tick. Yes, we are dealing now. Today's chapter is tick tick tick. What do you mean by tick tick tick? Means in the watch how we represent the name, like what's the time, how we representing, how to see the time, everything will be learning through this chapter. Okay, students. Yeah, Pamposh and Shahiza were discussing home in a forest from school. They were far from the home, so they were discussing about the what they're discussing will be entered to this chapter. I have walked for 5 minutes to reach the school. I just walked 2 minutes to reach the school. See here the contribution between the two of the members. See there, he is telling I required 5 minutes. She is telling I required 2 minutes. Impossible. Your home is far from the school. But I checked my watch. I started for school at 7 o'clock. She is telling that as Zaria I started at the 7 o'clock. When I reached the school, the point at 2. Okay, so you should it be 2 minutes past 7, that is, or 7 2. It should be like this. Okay, 7 2. You're you're wrong. You reached at 7:10. How? She's asking. How it is? See, can you see this thin line between the numbers? She's telling. So, yes, so what? And he is explaining the minute and moves across the 10 lines after 12. So, it is a 10 minutes past 7 or 7 10. Okay, he is explaining. See your students, I'll be explaining this watch. When she started from 7, that is 12. When the big hand is in the 12, when it is past to 2, so there is a movement in the long hand, so that we have to count it. Here, see here, 5 10. You know the 5 answer tables? Yes, it is a similar 5 10 15 20 25 30 35 40 45 50 55 60, like this. To 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Similarly, this watch also will be there. Here 5 means we'll be counting 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So the 2 will be standard to this number. The 2 is represented as a 10. Okay, it starts to 10. So I started for the school at 7. Okay, he is telling I started the school at 7. I reached at to see the I reached the 7 5. 7 5. See the minute hand moves across the 5 lines. So he is counting. See, 5 lines is moved. So it is a 5. It is 10 line is moved. It is a 10. It is a 15 line is moved. It is 15. When it is moved with the 20, it is 20 lines. So each line should be represent. He is turning to for her. Okay. So this is a contradiction between the 2%. Okay, let we practice the time for the three friends. Read the time from a clock. Who is right? Let me see. That is three friends. Okay, we have Chiku, Bittu, Pinky. She is telling this 12:03. It is 12:03 is correct. Our Bittu is telling 12:15. It is 3 o'clock. No, first we have to observe the clock. Where is the small hand? It is in the 12. Okay. Then where is the big hand? Is in 3. So one line will be represented as an 1 minute. Okay. So from 12 to 3 you have how many lines means 15 lines. How I'm telling, see your student, you have 12 to 3, you have how many lines? 15 lines will be representing as a 12 15. 12 15. So 12 15. So we'll be writing as an B2 is telling correctly. We'll be telling that B2 is telling correctly. Let me put a right for this. Next, we move to this. Very small hand? Near to the 5. So it is 5. And where is a big hand? In the 7. So from 12 to 7, how many lines I told? 1, 2, 3 means which table? It is the clock in the 5 ones. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. It is 5, 35. So who told correctly? Pinky. Next, we have next clock. Which is a small hand? Where is the number? What's the number of that hand? It is 7. And where it is a bigger hand? The bigger hand, which number it represents? 3. So what's the time? 7:15. Who told 7:15 correctly? Once again, Pinky. This is a time identifying for your peoples to how to see the time in the clock. In the clock, see here, I'll be explaining fully. In the clock, you have 12. 1 to 12. See here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So from one number to other number, you have 5 divisions. You have how many division? 5 division. This is in your clock. You have one division is represented as 1 minute. Okay. So we'll be counting the tables of 5. We'll be counting the tables of 5 ones only. Okay. You will be counting the tables of 5 itself. Not 3 ones table or 4 ones only the 5 ones. Why I'm telling means to count one line is 1 minute. So 1 is represented 5, 2, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. This will be represented. In a clock you have a 3 hand. Actually we have 3 hand. One is minute hand, hour, see a minute hand, hour hand, and seconds hand you have, but seconds are not drawn here. So only you will be represent here only the 2 hands, 1 and 2, that is minute hand and hour hand. Okay, fine. This will be representing for you people. And you have to first have to see where the short, that is a small hand, is where it is placed, which number it is placed, and the long hand which number it is placed. Then you have to identify to that according to the numbers. Okay, that is how we have to see the time. See here, I'll be representing. This is small hand is what? Which place it is? 7. And the big hand is 1. 1 is nothing but 5. So 7, 5. We'll be writing as in 7, 5 or 5 minutes past 7. 5 minutes past 7. So next we move to the next part.